Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the fuel pump control module on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses we need to check. We'll talk about the relay, we'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the fuel pump control module fuses relays, let's explain where you can find them now on that generation Mercedes C-Class. Quick advice from us guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the fuse boxes are located. Some will be extremely hidden, they don't even look like a fuse box. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money. And what we guys need to do now, we need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, you see that's your carpet liner here, lift it up. Right here underneath on the right side, we have another carpet liner. Lift it up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here guys. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here we need to check two fuses. We'll talk about the relay in a little bit. The first fuse guys that we will need to check is known as fuse number 442. You see that 25 fuse? That is one super important fuse that you will guys need to check. After that, we need to find another one. You wonder where it's located. Okay, the other one is fuse 451. We're talking about that fuse right here. Okay, that you will need to check as well. These two fuses. What about the relay? You don't have a relay. The relay function is controlled by the fuel pump control module so you have only these two fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check the engine computer fuses because you have some hidden fuses that can affect the fuel pump as well. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that information as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.